Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to making a beautiful handmade crochet mortarboard, perfect for graduation ceremonies or as a unique gift. Materials. To start, you shall need some basic materials: crochet hook, yarn, tapestry needle and scissors. Choose your favorite color and yarn type. Step number 1. Measure and cut. Measure your head to determine the size of your mortarboard. Cut a circle of cardboard or foam to use as the base. This will give your mortarboard its shape. Crochet the base. Start crocheting the base of your mortarboard. Use single crochet stitches to cover the entire circle. Make sure to keep your tension even. Step number 3. Add the sides. Once the base is complete, add the sides of your mortarboard. Use double crochet stitches to create a sturdy border. Make sure to keep your edges straight. Step number 4. Add the top. Now it's time to add the top of your mortarboard. Use single crochet stitches to create a smooth surface. Make sure to keep your tension even. Step number 5. The final touch is adding two tassels to your mortarboard. Use a tapestry needle and yarn to create a beautiful tace. Attach it to the top of your mortarboard. Step number 6. Add the strap. To secure your mortarboard, add a strap. Use a piece of yarn or elastic to create a comfortable straps. Attach it to the sides of your mortarboard. Tips and variations. Use different yarn colors or textures to create a unique look. Add embellishments such as beads or sequins. Experiment with different shapes or sizes. Conclusion. And that's it. Final touches. Your mortarboard is almost complete. Add any final touches such as a brooch or embroidery. Make sure everything is secure. Conclusion. And that's it. Your handmade crochet mortarboard is complete. Perfect for graduation ceremonies. Time lapse and close-ups. Let's take a closer look at the details. Time lapse of crocheting, close-up of stitches, time lapse of adding the tassels. Thanks for watching a tutorial on making a handmade crochet mortarboard. Don't forget to subscribe for more crafting tutorials. Thank you so much for watching with this video. See you in the next video.